In this guide, I'll show you how to activate your Nintendo Switch as the primary console. So, this is your first Nintendo Switch and you've created a user. When you try and go to the Nintendo eShop, it will ask you to link a Nintendo account. And when you do this, after you've created the account, it'll automatically become your primary console. Now, if you've previously owned a Nintendo Switch and you want to change it over, what you're going to have to do on your old Switch is go to your account. And what you want to do is scroll over from user settings, and we're going to scroll down. And you want to select Nintendo eShop settings. Now, this is going to open up the Nintendo eShop. And what you want to do is scroll on over to the right and scroll down. Now, when you do this, you'll see primary console, and this console is registered as your primary console. And what you want to do is simply deregister this console and then sign into your new console with your Nintendo account and open up the Nintendo eShop and it'll change it over. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.